Orienting is a Horizon 2020 project that provides a lifecycle sustainability assessment methodology for products and services. It has been developed taking into consideration the needs of stakeholders and with particular emphasis on small and medium enterprises.
The life cycle sustainability assessment is a methodology or a framework which objective is to evaluate the impacts and also the benefits of certain product or service by including the three dimensions of sustainability, which are environmental, economic and social.
So in the Orienting methodology, we go even beyond the three classical pillars. We also do add two C's, the C of criticality and the C of circularity.
Target audience of Orienting is both users and enablers. The users are the ones that are going to use the methodology. SMEs, multinationals, policymakers, sector organizations. And the other is really the enablers. So then you can think of academia, research institutes, but also consultants, software providers and database developers.
Main products of this project are, apart from the methodology, the Orienting ontology, the data specifications for a future LCSA data format, the software requirements for integration tools, the LCSA integration tool, and the training materials for both the implementation of the methodology and the use of the LCSA integration tool.
We are developing this entry-level assessment for those companies who don't have previous experience of life cycle sustainability assessment. But then we are also providing this comprehensive quantitative LCSA methodology that can be then adapted according to the previous knowledge and data that the company has available. The biggest benefit that companies can gain from implementing the LCSA methodology is that by conducting an LCSA, the companies can learn from the different sustainability topics. And then the second important benefit is that with an LCSA, they can give science-based documentation and evidence so that they can know that what are their actual impacts.
One of the positive learnings obtained during the testing of the Orienting methodology is that it seems to be applicable despite the differences in sizes and expertise of the industry partners and also the case studies.
The learnings are that we need to understand the impacts of our decision in every step of the production of the product, since the beginning of the selection of the material in the design phase, where we are producing and how we are producing it, and taking into account the end life of the product.
We have identified opportunities. It's to learn about the different sustainability domains and different sustainability impacts that we have. And then of course they are also being able to discuss more with the stakeholders, our internal stakeholders, but also with customers, because this is more and more relevant for the whole value chain.
We have received a good feedback from external stakeholders, especially from industry and academia world.
The idea is to make Orienting and the methodology available as an open source methodology. And that basically means that everyone can use it and that everyone can build services or data or software on top of it.
Orienting as a project gives us LCSA methodologies, a harmonized methodology and a way forward how to make it and how to apply it. That's an important step also for industry in Europe to apply LCSA.